Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to get your LLC and EIN in 2025 using Taylor brand. Plus I will explain which parts are free and where you can save money. If you are a freelancer, small business owner or starting a side hustle, you need an LLC and EIN to run legally and protect your personal assets. So let's get started into it. So first of all, what is Taylor Brands? So first, Taylor Brands is all a one platform for new business owner. This help you from an LLC get an EIN design, your logo, and even build a small or simple website all in one place. They are not free for everything, but they do make the entire process super easy. So you don't waste hours figuring it out yourself. So how LLC filing works? To get your LLC, you will always pay your state filing fee. That's unavoidable, whether you do it yourself or through Taylor Brands. What Taylor Brands does, it handle all the paperwork for you. Check your business name and make sure it's filled correctly. So while the estate fee is required, you can save money with Taylor Brands by picking their most basic LLC plans. This handles the legal stuff for you so you don't mess it up. So here you can find out the LLC option. You just need to click over here, get started, and the process will be begin from that place. The process is really simple. When you will choose your estate, they will ask your business info, then they will provide you a couple of things. You just need to fulfill all those things, like start application in California, then you just need to build a custom LLC plan. Like you just need to choose this one, then complete business info and sit tight and wait for LLC approval. The process is really simple, as you can see it. Then if you want any in for free, you just need to be now here's the important part, that your EIN, your employee identification number, is totally free from the IRS. Taylor Brands offers to do this for you for free, but you can skip the add-on if you want to save money. Instead, once you LLC approved, just go to irs.gov and search apply for EIN online. Fill out the quick form. It takes about 5 minutes. You just need to visit here irs.gov, and here you will find out that apply for in online. Then fill out the quick form, and it takes only about 5 minutes, and you will get your in immediately by PDF. No next extra charge, easy. Now let's talk about extra branding tools. It is optional. Like after you file, Taylor Brands will offer you extra, like a custom logo, a simple business website, business email, and domain. These are not free, but they can be worth it if you want your business to look professional right away. Totally optional. Take what you need to or skip it. Then let's wrap up and give you the smart tips. So here's the deal. Like your estate fee is required. Taylor Brand basic plans helps you file stress free, get your in free at the IRS website. Only pay for the extras you actually want. Don't let upsells push you into stuff you don't need yet. And once you have your LLC and in number, remember to open a business account, keep your money separate, save your in and information docs, and you will need them for taxes. Stay compliant with any annual estate requirements. So now let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. You know now how to get your LLC and EIN in 2025 the smart way, using Taylor Brands and a little DIY. If you want to check out Taylor Brands and see which plan works for you, I will drop my link in the description below. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment any question you have about starting out LLC. I am here to help. Thanks for watching and good luck launching your business.